What's going on, Bully World? Your boy Mr. Love05, man, coming at y'all with another quick video. I told y'all gonna keep the content coming. Before this video gets started, I want to make sure y'all go follow all my social medias. I'm gonna try to link them in I am gonna link them in the description. First up, follow the Facebook. The Facebook is NJCBullies. Try to put it somewhere on the screen right there. The Instagram, NJCBullies. Dude has his own personal Instagram. Dude, the Pocket Bullet. Twitter, Mr. Loverboy5. Reach out to me on Twitter. My personal Instagram, Mr. Loverboy5. Yeah, I want us to be a collective on and off of YouTube. So, you know, feel free to follow me on all those social media platforms. Follow the killing on all those social media platforms. That way y'all can keep up with what's going on, because stuff hit those platforms before it hit YouTube. But a quick message to the up and coming YouTubers and breeders. I actually been in this YouTube game for 10 years. And if you're a shy person, say not on camera, because camera is a different thing, but if you're a shy person off the camera, this will help you come out of that bubble. I always tell people it's kind of the equivalent of talking in front of a room full of people without seeing that room full of people. You ever hear the saying where they be like, when you're giving a speech, to try to say the speech with your the visualize people naked, or to close, you know, kind of close your eyes, that way you won't see people looking at you. It's kind of that aspect. So being on a YouTube platform, if you're a shy introvert, it's perfect. It works in your favor. It helps you get out of that mental space. It help you. It can be therapeutic at the same time. But like I said, I just wanted to go ahead and point out the social media before this video gets started. And to all the young up and coming YouTubers, just keep on pushing. Keep on striving. You'll be great. You get there one day. Oh yeah, one more thing before the video gets started, man. If you haven't hit the like button, go ahead and hit the like button right now. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to your boy channel. And I'm out.
When they come, and they will, they'll come for you. I have an army. We have a Hulk. Well, I thought the beast had won it all. You're missing the point. There's no throne. There is no version of this where you come out on top.
Yeah, I got when I got mine. Wasn't hot when I got some. Fucking not what I want, but I stack what I want till I'm back on the right side. Back on the west. Manned up, took a slap on the chest. Running yaps, motherfucker, been attached. Motherfucker, 3 fingers, let me rap with a best fly.
Who the old knucklehead, man? Anybody with them bullies that's 10 months and below, y'all already know, especially a boy. Smelling himself, man. Damn, I have to beat his ass every day. But like I said, that come with it though. I'm gonna see if I can get him up. Dude, come here, boy. Come here. Let that boy go. Come here, dude. Boy, nice. But it'll be a year in May. My boy turning out real good. Dude. Hey yo, dude. Hey yo, dude. There you go. There you go. What I say? Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna take y'all along on the ride with me. Got my son with me. Say what up, dude. Dude. Boy, dude, head starting to pop. But yeah, I'm finna pull up on my bro. He just got a blue tri-male I'm finna go check out.
He an up-and-coming breeder as well. I'm pretty sure he gonna give y'all all the information y'all need to know, just in case he got something for sale or y'all see something y'all like. But yeah, y'all be on the lookout for us though. Until the next scene. Like I told y'all, YouTube, them my bro. They hit Blue Try. What you call him?
Fathead.
Yeah, my boy. Woo.
This fathead right here. Some endless bullies. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. First boy foundation right here. Coming soon. You know what I'm saying? We got bone here. We got structure, short tail.
Ooh, short back.
Short back, everything.
Boy, he almost great. I ain't gonna need count. He almost great. Y'all heard me say NJCBullies. You got a Facebook yet, Big Dog?
Nah, not yet.
I'll let y'all know when he get the Facebook cranking.
Oh yeah.
And the Instagram. Oh, that boy nice, bro.
Oh yeah.
That boy nice.
Good back.
Fathead.
Look at the rear, cuz.
Ooh.
Look at this rear.
Hey, this also the tattoo man.
Oh yeah. Endless ink. Endless ink.
Endless bulls and endless ink.
Yeah, man. We coming out here. Straight up.
Okay. Okay. We got both of the foundation boys out here.
Oh yeah. Ready to go too.
You got it. Sit down. Sit, boy. Sit, boy. Y'all already know, dude.
Ready to go. Ain't that right, fathead?
But yeah, though, man. Y'all stay tuned. Like I said, but me and the guy right here, we got plans, man.
Oh yeah.
Got plans. I don't know what I'm supposed to. But yeah, we got plans though, man. Like I said, I just wanted to show y'all the bull. He got some puppies too, but I don't know if he gonna bring puppies out.
Not yet. Not yet.
Let me see. Now sit down, bro. I'm gonna let him run around. Come on, dude.
Fathead.
Come on, dude.
Come on, boy.
Come on, boy. That's a good man.